Ebusia for some TV no yema obibia akwaba na ebusia de se yekopie mu ewo NPP amanyoko no mu ede a yenyina yenim se ese no enche na omode mu presidential prime minister no ehhehye so as say aspirant no obibia egu campaign so gidigidi a ebusia enye asenketwa with the likes of yewra Dr. Oseyaw editwum yewra Kwabena Ajay Japan Kennedy Akompreku Japan say Dr. Mahmoud Bomi omunyina asha campaign ase achese omo eguso de nene a enye asenketwa we achese 31 January 2026 ampaya ebedwa na in fact ene yewra Dr. Oseyaw editwum ekupie mu ewo no ankasa ne constituency ana oye mbahye bedjani ewo ehono mekire bosumtwe constituency na in fact omo eje ne feso ohwe se de na omusi eboje ne so papa yi a enye asenketwa na mbra woni omo kasa wiye no ana assembly caucus ewo honom no ebusia omo nyina pledge omo support edema yewra Dr. Oseyaw editwum na omo chese bosumtwe constituency de 99% of the delegates no assure say ometo aba no de ama ono Dr. Oseyaw editwum ebusia na enye esenketwa video no na eda screen this wa wo hwe no na mensa wada agede bubewrem na yeti ensama wodo a yewra Dr. Oseyaw editwum de etuga na owie no assembly caucus nso a ewo honom pledge omo support de ma no a na enye esenketwa de yenkona yenkoti
na bosomtwe animonyam na bo enye menkunti na efe se ye chiliga na nyina yebo media ni akase bosomtwe mrase bedwani bosomtwe di akoba bia o dinum di mati yewura emfuomu kokomu ba bi kwaye campaign mama me 72% of the delegate vote and bosomtwe na bi nsida mu ana mu ye delegate wa hanya sa abra ni nyina mu di mi fiti ase medam ase se we afo medam ase me na krom medam nyina se mu amotuma me de di nkan mu amobeta ma ti di atoso mienu mu amota ma ti di atoso mensa nyame nsa mu nyina ya head of territory obe ya MP e bosomtwe emprensani the dumadi a wadi no asombo na sha asem members nso ni bonyam obe education minister ye hwe school so a osisima abosomtwe mensani krona ye nyina ye tua support all the amount Dr. Adutum ye asem members caucus because say sahana ni nchifri just ye nyina eta na chi na ya boa no na de ye de say caucus na assembly ho ye nyina delegates ayeto aba eni to obi bia about 99% our two about my delegates no woman nyina show support me preside member be dey animu say free chineko ye nyina ye TS form ye rewura nkurankura obosom 367 communities no ye di Dr. Adutum wa dance ni a campaign e dey ama no
me assembly man obosom cho e Gachi West binti a awasen kan oba de kan metetena ye nyi e san say Dr. Oseyaw Adutum anya ade ofi akwa na nim die ne niema a woje no esapata say bosomtwe assembly members ye fe kan ye ubom papa we papa bi ase jani mu a ate santo piano ma ye jana ye ja asrade eti e kama wi ase nyina ate bosomtwe assembly members ya kan ye wabo ma jia tum say ye nim die ne bibia ye troma Dr. Oseyaw Adutum ye kai se obi anko akotena burochira wa fra ho chima akotena dem ko ma Ghana o na so de se bayo oyo sha stem education eniye ma papa we yaye eni tira bosomtwe assembly members caucus ya tie wo ase say awase akie wo bom ni e to support ni campaign change e ma Dr. Oseyaw Adutum number 4 or number 4
sayempa ye power ana ye power efie edi fie Adutum doctor wo ba ye no school ahodo de abobo fumtwe ha ankola wo bo wanyanka na ewisi a wo bo amu o mawie school awo di bia kwabro treni ade nyina watwoni nyina na edidi bomu ama obi ehun se doctor wombi ye coordinators no ye dia support aduasanum ye dia support mano ya wode ye nimu dia ye nyansa ye entry bibia kura ni pabia woni pabia mu ya ni nyina atai Dr. Oseyaw Adutum achi
our diaspora people come here and vote. during the primaries that I participated in 2023, they all came down and voted. So proxy are used in exceptional circumstances. Maybe there's a health issue. Maybe you're a public service worker and you have to be outside for a conference or something. That makes it impossible for you to be in the jurisdiction. And that one you even apply to the General Secretary. And you can only give your proxy to someone who is already on the register. And you can only have one more proxy. So it cannot be that people say they are outside and therefore they want others to vote for them. No.
But they say it's expensive to come to Ghana.
It's always been expensive. Let me tell you, a ticket from Wa to Accra is more expensive than Accra to London.
Really?
Oh, yes. Check it, dollar rate and see it. So there are people who may be in Wa on the day who want to come to Accra and come and vote. So that for me is not an excuse. The Presidential Elections Committee is going through making sure that we have a transparent, equitable environment for this election.
But how does allowing that not make it equitable?
I've been General Secretary before.
Okay.
And I've also contested for General Secretary before. And I've seen how proxy votes have been abused in the past. They have been. It's a fact. I'm not going to go into the details. You understand? So I know how it's been abused before in the past. If you have a genuine proxy, that health issue, you have a doctor's report that you can't make it on the day, you are bedridden but you have a voting right, you can always request the General Secretary. And that should be done. But it cannot be a blanket thing for the whole diaspora and say that all of you can have proxy vote. That is unacceptable. We are not going to accept that as candidates. And I know this morning we're having a meeting with the Presidential Elections Committee. I don't know whether that comes up, but I think that shouldn't be a big issue. I don't know why people are creating an issue.
Right. There was any question engineer Kwabena J at Japon or Kanipa Makuma more pressure to Franca at J Ama a year MBP Amanyokono, Yane Anna Echogu. And yes, Nasa, not yet in some no. And so and come on, in command.
President vote no so bisi wadwa. Sa dena ya man mfa no vote ama obi ama amatuntu wadwa. Na chesa adwembone wo sa nipa di trim. Nti the engineer Kwabena J Japon e kano. Benene ya adwene se ono so fo aso se yenyim free ho sa proxy vote ne se obi di ne vote ma obi aba beto ama no because enya de pa nipa trimu sum se bibi ni wiase ya ka da ye ntopunum eti se wo se wo odoma party no na wodo a particular candidate na se so ba beto aba ama na twa ticket na bra beto fama no anye bia ye dutu so dudu ya na maboa no dia ye sei pacha
sure
ana mo dia akotratre chire ho enti se o fi se akodu mre bi se ye to aba na e wo so ba beto a ontumi nkan chesa wo adwe wo ti de wo adwene soma obi se onkotoma abato onko se enkomo fufuro bi na wo kodidi a se de ontumi nkan chire wadamfo se oba Ghana oja o yire wa chiti ono ne meda kakrama ono saa na ontumi fa vote emfa mo bi so mra metoma your vote is your secret etinya de a obi betumi akoto abade ama obi tomo ye free way ya de pa because I think say nanka ejina homa katazhene proye